Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we present a tutorial video on how to use the S12 Handheld drone detector. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the device. The middle button can be used to increase or decrease the volume. Short press on the power button can switch the interface to the list style, simple styles, spectrum diagram style. Press and hold the OK button to enter the menu interface. Frequency band settings. This interface is the detection frequency band, and the specific detection range can be set according. State on or off. Start the starting frequency band. Stop the terminate frequency band. Filter frequency band. Filter out 425/445 No alarm will be triggered when the walkie-talkie is detected, and it will be enabled by default. Settings can be set to restore default and vibration switch. Version view. View current version. Language. System language can be changed, supporting English, Russian, Korean, and Chinese. That concludes the tutorial for the S12 Handheld drone detector. If you want to learn more, please follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.